Yo, what's up everyone? This is your boy DinoSasha here and welcome back to my prehistoric and modern day animal shelves. Today, I have something special for you guys. And we got some brand new animal, or in this case, the same species that I've got has finally added into my collection, which is bigger than it was. So, let's begin. Our first shelf is the light blue shelf. Do you remember Collecte Smugglewelski used to be alone? Yeah, he used to be Sigma. But this time, it wasn't alone. We have a brand new figure, and that would be Prehistoric Jaquez the DinoSasha, which is the biggest figure that I've got. So, let's move down there, and everything has never changed. From Schleichs, all of that kind of stuff. Like, you know, the Allosaurus, Triceratops, a big old Brachiosaurus, and my favorite, Carnotaurus, along with the other animals, which include from Collecte to Karatami, Smilodon, all of this stuff. And yeah, all of them were from behind as well. So there's that. And let's move on. The next shelf is going to be the small shelf, and we also got some of the more famous ones, like the last figure was a Carnegie 2015 Velociraptor, Safari Ltd Doedicurus, and the Collecte herbivores, like Fukuisaurus, Diabloceratops, and the Mercuryceratops, along with the Velociraptors, Dilophosauruses, Capro, a Stegosaurus, Chinchillsaurus, which is my favorite tyrannosaur, a Dinogorgon, a Daedon, Hyenodon, Eutyrannus, Acrocanthosaurus, and a goddamn Gastornis, as well as the Ceratosaurus, Anzu, Sauropeltis, Stegosaurus, and the Triceratops. So, let's move on. The next shelf is gonna be the green shelf. Nothing have changed apart from the Collecte Medusaceratops, the Karatami Neanderthal, a Papoparosaurolophus, and the rest of the figures as well. All of which are kinda great, especially one of the more particular ones, like the Safari Ltd, Feathered Tyrannosaurus, Giganotosaurus, which is my third favorite dinosaur, and the Apatosaurus, which I don't want to confuse with the Diplodocus, so Apatosaurus, which are a member of the Diplodocidae family, so let's move on. The next shelf is the masterpiece shelf. Everything has never changed, and it's probably for the better. Like, for example, we got the whole sauropod collection in the high-ups, especially the largest pterosaur, a gigantic T-Rex, which is a soft rubber, a Yeti, and of course, a Stegodon, which is a prehistoric elephant. Along with the rest of the animal species that have gone extinct, and pretty sure a lot of them has doing a lot of bit better stuff. Especially everything else from old to new editions. Well, it's probably for the better because it's a lot of them. All of them has been great. At least for now, so it might be proven right. But I guess it's probably for changes. Changes always matters. So let's move on. And last but not least is the modern day animal shelves. So everything has never changed, just like they did with the masterpiece shelf. With sharks, birds, Looney Tune characters, Sonic characters, Donkey Kong characters, including a gibbon and dragons. Especially Bernie the Gator right beside them. And everything all has changed. Nothing have changed because there's a lot of those stuffs going on. And all of them are doing great. All of the animals are doing just fine in the shelf, especially the orangutan, which I'll review it for last. So anyways, thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications so you'll never miss the video, and leave a comments below. And I'll see you for another update, and I'll see you for another review about the Prehistoric Jaquez the DinoSasha. Goodbye everyone, see you next time.